Hey everyone, welcome back. Here are 50 cool facts that will make you sound smart. During an interview with Stephen Hawking, the camera operator yanked a cable, causing an alarm and Hawking to slump forward. Worried that they had killed him, everyone rushed over to find Hawking giggling at his own joke. The alarm was from an office computer losing power. Genghis Khan would marry off a daughter to the king of an allied nation. Then he would assign his new son-in-law to military duty in the Mongol Wars. While his daughter took over the rule, most sons-in-laws died in combat, giving his daughters complete control of these nations. Actor Robert Pattinson dealt with an obsessed fan by taking her out on a date. He complained the entire time and she never came back, and that's the way to do it. A 13-year-old opened a hot dog stand in front of his home in Minnesota, causing a complaint to the health department. Instead of shutting him down, the inspectors helped him bring his stand up to code and pay the $87 fee for his permit out of their own pockets. Some farmers in Bangladesh have switched to raising ducks instead of chickens because during catastrophic floods, ducks float. Dr. Phil lost his license to practice psychology in 2006. Therefore, all guests on his TV show must sign a contract stating they are only there to receive advice from an individual, not a psychologist. The most streamed Spotify single is Harry Styles' Girl Crush. The longest wedding veil was longer than 63 football fields. Some cats are allergic to people. The largest known living organism is an aspen grove. A baby puffin is called a puffling. Oh, that's so cute. The lyrebird can mimic almost any sound it hears, including chainsaws. Whoa. Elvis only won 3 Grammys. You can major in wine at Cornell University. The Northern Cardinal is the most popular state bird. About 700 grapes go into 1 bottle of wine. Baby sea otters can't swim right away. There's a world record for the most world record titles. The largest sandcastle in the world measured 54 feet high. There are over 10 holidays that celebrate chocolate. A group of bunnies is called a fluffle. Baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort, kind of like human babies suck their thumbs. Dr. Seuss wrote green eggs and ham on a bed. Giraffes are 30 times more likely to get hit by lightning than a person. Identical twins do not have the same fingerprints. Sudan has more pyramids than any country in the world, including Egypt. The bumblebee bat is the world's smallest mammal. The world's first animated feature film was made in Argentina. The first person processed at Ellis Island was a 15-year-old girl from Ireland. Lemons float, but limes sink. The first oranges weren't orange, they were actually green. A cow-bison hybrid is called a beefalo. Armadillo shells are bulletproof. Turkeys can blush. The current American flag was designed by a high school student. He made a B-, but when his his design was chosen for the actual flag, the teacher changed his grade to an A. Cows don't have upper front teeth. Bananas grow upside down. No number before 1,000 contains the letter A. Movie trailers originally played after the movies. They trailed the movie. Hence the name. Teddy Roosevelt had a pet hyena. Giraffe tongues can be 20 inches long. Frankenstein's creature was a vegetarian. Medical errors are a top cause of death. Sloths have more neck bones than giraffes. Bees can fly higher than Mount Everest. The Terminator script was sold for $1. Abraham Lincoln was a bartender. Beethoven never knew how to multiply or divide. The first commercial passenger flight only lasted for 23 minutes. A woman called the police because when her ice cream didn't have enough sprinkles. You can't make that up. Like, you can't. Alrighty, thanks for watching this episode of 50 Facts. Hope everyone enjoyed. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get a top 10 out next Friday. So, not a top 10, but a list, like a different type of video, like a list video, but not a 50, you know what I mean. Subscribe.